So today I'm going to make what I consider to be the ultimate, or my ultimate, cheese on toast. We've got really strong mature cheddar in there, green onions, spring onions, scallions, whatever you call them, English mustard, which is very strong, parsley, black pepper and butter mixed together. On it goes. It really is delicious. It's one of my favourite things on the planet. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we've got here is cheese, green onions, parsley, black pepper, mustard powder, butter. The combination of the amounts is entirely up to you, but let's just have a look. Flat leaf parsley, chopped it quite small. Black pepper, more than a teaspoon, just over a teaspoon. About 2 or 3 teaspoons here of Coleman's English mustard powder, that stuff there. You can use it in a paste form if you want, like in a jar. Very strong, that is. The butter I'm using, you can see I've got about, I think there's like 50 grams there or 60 grams. And then the cheese, I've got a very strong mature cheddar. You can use any type of cheddar you want, or a different cheese I suppose, but it's very sharp, very tangy. What we're gonna do, get a bowl and we're gonna mix that all together. So really super strong this cheddar is. I mean, I love it. It's really, how can I say, wow, that's sharp. Black pepper, plenty of. Not gonna add salt because of this cheese. Green onions, like a cup there. Now if you want, you can put regular white or red onion in, but I think the green onions are good. Chopped parsley, a cup of that as well. There's the mustard powder. English mustard, very, very strong. And then you can see I've got a big lump of butter. There you go. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get in with our hand. You can put a glove on if you want, and we're gonna mash it, mush it, mash it up. I love that. Nice little mash up there. So listen, if you want, get some tiny tomatoes in there if you want to. You know, chop some tomatoes up nice and small. Don't like or don't have the mustard, try a nice hot pepper sauce or something like that. I sometimes do that as well, but yeah, that's beautiful. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get that on some toast, pop it under a grill, and I am in love. Right, I've got some toast there. Now, that's not burnt. Well, it is a bit burnt, but that's kind of deliberate. I like my toast like that, so do it how you want. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some of our mixture, and we're gonna pop it on. I've got 4 bits here, actually, there's 2 underneath. We're gonna give it a nice little spread in, and then simply you're going to pop these under the grill for a few minutes, 3 or 4 minutes maybe, and it's job done. Oh yeah, look at that. That is so good, so strong. That mustard in there, beautiful. Right, let me get the others done. You'll see them once they're ready. Right, under the grill. All right, there you go. Absolutely wonderful. I love that. Now look, I've got loads left, so what I do is I cover it, bit of shrink wrap or something, goes in the fridge. It's good in there for a few days, so I can keep going at these, can't I? Lucky boy. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.